you making a statement, Susan?
I will make a statement. Me and this Doorable have something in common.
They're drinking.
Yes, we are on to our fourth multi-peak of the Disney Doorables Series 12 Pixel Perfect Collection. How many doors do you think we have?
6.
6?
I'm going to say 5.
All right, how many is it?
We have
5. All right.
Get him open.
Woo! Why do you look like you're about to do Thriller, Mom?
Trickle.
Tale as old as yeet. I don't read.
Good job. All right, let's start guessing and drinking. Woo! It's Tipsy Doorbell season. All right, Greg, who do you think you have?
I have no idea, so I'm judging by a very, very cool name. I'm going with Laurel.
Okay.
Lightfoot.
All right. If you're right, that'll be hilarious.
It will be.
I would like an Oscar or an Emmy or a Tony.
You were right. Good job.
I have no idea, but she is blue and she is a rare. So go
Oh,
with it.
good job. And Mom, who do you think you
I'm
have?
guessing that this is I am the walrus. Cuckoo, 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 cuckoo. Let's see if I'm correct.
I am the Eggman.
It is the walrus.
It is the walrus.
Oh, he's such a cool face.
He does have a neat face. I like it.
Yeah, all right.
He is common, but he is very, very nice.
So far, this is everybody that we have from Series 12.
No one time show.
Yes.
Yet.
Let's keep guessing. Who do you have, Mama?
I am guessing Princess Jasmine. And I believe. Yes.
You are correct,
I am
and she
correct.
is a rare.
Ooh, and she's in her Christmas
She
regals.
is in her Christmas regals.
Yes.
Princess Jasmine.
And
She
Greg,
goes
who
with
do you
the
think you
princess.
have?
I think I have another 8-bit, and I think I have Dumbo.
He's been guessing Dumbo for a while, though.
It is not, but it is an ultra rare. Which
It's
you wanted.
it's
This
Sisu.
Sisu. Oh,
Yeah.
I love Sisu.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
So not an 8-bit, but it is an ultra rare. So we
It's
do
our
have
first
Sisu.
ultra rare of the series.
Yep.
Yes.
All right, we have one last one in this box, so start guessing. All right, Mama, who do you think it is?
I am going to guess Felix from Encanto. Which
Okay.
would be nice. Yes, it is. Woo!
We finally got an Encanto.
We finally have.
We have a
someone from-
Madrigal.
Yes, a Madrigal.
Welcome to the family, Madrigal.
We're on our way.
I'm not part of the family, Madrigal,
No, not in this case.
because I don't speak Spanish at all. Hola! Wait, yes, I do.
Ay, Dios mío, en esta palabra no. Tú hablas solamente un poco de esta situación. ¿Comprende?
Oui, je comprends.
Bon, répétez en anglais, s'il vous plaît.
Ah,
Exactement.
Aucune idée, mais je parle français.
Je parlais l'allemand, l'anglais, italiano, portugués, italiano, francés, depende del día inglés.
Are you saying you speak... Did you just say you speak German? Because you don't speak
Nein, ich
German.
spreche nicht Deutsch.
That's what I thought. Okay. So does anybody have any final comments to our fans today?
I am very happy because in 4 boxes, not one duplicate.
We did very well.
You did very well.
I am talented!
Yes, Greg did a great job going to
Yes,
Target
he
and getting a
did.
haul of these.
Yes, he did.
Ask who went to 3 stores?
You know what, Greg, though? All I have to say, the most important thing right now is your skin is glowing from that sheet mask I gave you.
I told you 20 years, and that's very impossible because I'm only 20.
Yes.
He wishes.
He wishes, yeah. But your skin looks great.
retiree over there, I'll take the 20.
Yes. All right, any final words for the fans?
Your mama's talented.
Not as talented as Susan, though.
Susan did very well, so Susan gets the talent card for today.
That's right.
All right, bye, everyone.